Hey everyone! Ready to test your animal knowledge? Let's play Guess the Animal from its shadow. I'll show you a shadow. If you can guess the animal before the picture appears, let's go. What could it be? Whoa, that's a big animal with a horn on its nose. It's a rhinoceros. Big, tough, and awesome. This one looks super familiar, always wagging its tail. Any guesses? It's a dog, man's best friend. Fluffy, puffy, and goes bare. Who is this? Yep, it's a sheep. Check out that big mane. It's the Lion King of the jungle. Who's this mysterious shadow? Sneaky, playful, and loves to nap. It's a cat. Whoa, so many arms. This one lives under the sea. It's an octopus. That fin looks sharp. And it swims fast. It's a shark. Don't worry, this one won't bite. A round shell and short legs. This little guy takes it slow. It's a turtle. Big ears, long trunk. Any ideas? It's an elephant, the gentle giant. This animal gives us milk and loves to moo. It's a cow. Awesome job! How many did you guess right? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.